अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आई होप कि सब ठीक होंगे। आज हमारा क्लास है डायलॉग विद टूरिस्ट इन इंग्लिश। टूरिस्ट के साथ इंग्लिश में बातचीत के हवाले से। नंबर फर्स्ट, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, आई नीड योर हेल्प प्लीज, आई एम अ टूरिस्ट, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? ओह, नो अंडरस्टैंड, सॉरी, नो स्पीक इंग्लिश। Oh, thank you anyway. I'm sorry to bother you. Have a nice day. Take care. Excuse me, sir. Good morning. I am a tourist. Do you speak English? Good morning, sir. Yeah, I speak English. Welcome to my country. How can I help you? Oh, great. I have been walking for many hours and could not find anyone. I mean, I could not find anyone who speak English. I'm happy to find you. Well, since it's not our first language, not many people here speak advanced English. Happily, I have studied this language for many years and I try to practice every day. That's why I would to help you, because this way I can practice my English. That's cool. I'm looking for a place to stay over here. I arrived this morning and I could not find a cheap hotel. Can you help me? Sure, there is one cheap hotel near here, right on beside tower. What side? I'm sorry, but I don't know this place very well. Help me. Oh, all right. You just go straight ahead, turn left, and there you will find it. I have a friend working there. You can tell him you were sent by me and they will help you. My name is John. I am a police officer. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? Oh, my name is Alex. It's a pleasure to meet you, Alex, and thank you in advance. Because I also need you to help me where I can exchange some dollar here, please. I remember there was an exchange hour right over here, but it's not open now. You can go to the mall for that, but it's a little far. That's okay. I can take a taxi ride. I hope they are not too expensive. Oh, be careful with it. No all taxi drivers are honest. You need to be careful. Some of them realize you're a tourist and they make you pay more than the regular. We usually use an app for that, but since you are new here, you can call one of my friends. He drove a taxi and he can guide whatever you want. You can trust him. That's great. And how much will it be? I need to know because I don't have much money. To the mall, it's not more than $10. Is that expensive for you? No, that's fine. Thank you so much. And I want to eat something. The best stores are downtown. I suppose you want to know about the cheapest one. Yeah, that's great. Thanks for guiding. ये था हमारे साथ टूरिस्ट के साथ बातचीत। तो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो था। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। खुदा हाफिज़। थैंक यू सो मच।